Foul ball. Here we go.
Oh. Did you hit Daddy? No, you didn't? Okay.
Good hit. Good hit. Right back up the middle. That's a base hit. You ready? Alright, another foul ball. Okay, watch it, okay? Here it comes. Oh, good swing. You ready? Is that how you stand? Okay, here we go.
Okay, that just went over the house.
Good hit.
Wow.
Good hit. All right. Do it again.
Yeah, on baseball.
Oh, okay. You ready? Oh, foul tip. Here we go. Oh, ooh, 2 fouls. Good swing. That was good. Ready? Ready? Ooh, that
Whoa. Whoa, buddy. How'd you learn how to hit so well? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm hiding from the camera.
I'm not talking to you.
He's
Come here,
coming to me, and I'm like, maybe
Lay
you're
down.
gonna fall
Here,
over the
stand
camera.
right here. Okay. Ready? Turn.
Nice.
Ready?
Whoa. What? I'm taking a picture of you. It's a video. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, all my friends.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Yeah, hi, Grandma. And who else? Say hi, Faith. Hi, Auntie Faith.
Hi, Faith.
You want to get one out of the park?
No.
You ready? Here we go. That hit.
Good job.
Okay. Man, if I could pitch it better, you could hit it. That was not a bad pitch. High and inside.
Sorry, didn't mean to
alright.
throw that hard.
Throw.
That was my left hand, by the way.
There you go. Ready?
Whoa!
That was a good one.
That was base hit.
Oh,
What was that?
Dad? That's terrible. No swinging anything. You ready? Oh, bad pitch.
Okay, Mommy's gonna turn it off, so why don't we get one more good hit in, okay?
One more hit. Here we go. Pressure's on. Here we go.
Whoa!
That was a foul.
Okay, one more.
Ready?
Whoa!
You gotta hit this one, boo.
Amari, you trying to break a window?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Get ready. That's enough. Here we go. There we go.
Nice.
That's a hit.
Okay, Amari, say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye-bye,
Come here.
everybody.
Come here, say it to the camera. Come here.
Bye, everybody.
Say I love you.
Love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.